How to edit workplace in Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the workplace. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called settings. Tap on settings. Now here, slowly scroll down until you find the option called edit home or work. Tap on it. So this is the place where you can edit your home and even your workplace. So simply tap on it. Now you can set the location wherever you want to. So tap on choose on map. Now you can select the location where you want to keep your workplace to. So make sure that this is the right place. Now simply tap on this save button on the bottom and you'll be done. So the workplace has been fixed. Now it will pop up in your home page too. This is a quick way to have a quick access to the workplace. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.